Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. Harmony One is continuing its move to the upside quite strongly, quite impressively. So it is really good. You know, it's doing what I assumed it would be doing after the last video. We did retest here the support at 26.5 cents, and now we are moving up higher. I think we're going to approach a a resistance very soon, and we're going to take a look at that, and we're going to mention that. So there's two things here. One is that there is the possibility to draw a trend line here, in my view, where we just rushed through that without any problem. So you could say, you know, we had basically 3 touch points here. So just want to mention that we, I think, came above that. So we might come down and retest that one here. And that was pretty much at around 28 cents. Just want to mention that. But what we really need to look at is the next Fibonacci extension levels, because we are now in all-time high territory. We don't know where it's going and so on. So there's two things here for me. One is you can draw 2 Fibonacci's. One is from this previous low here to that swing high here. So if I do that, we can see that we're going to approach resistance soon at this 1.272 extension level at 29.5 cents. I think we might get some resistance there. That works well in line with the fact that on the 1 hour chart we're quite overbought now again. So as you can see in the last few hours, days, whenever we came above the 70 line here on the Harmony One chart, we had retracement. So I would personally wait for retracement. You know, instead of going in now, I would wait for retracement. And then we are probably coming down and bring the RSI down again here. So that is generally expected. I think it could happen here at the 29.5 cent level. Maybe it already happened. We need to go and have a look at the shorter term time frame. But overall, it's looking good. But it's just one of these retracements that you need to have after you get into the overbought range. Now, that is the first one. That's the sort of less significant one, in my opinion, because it's a shorter time frame Fibonacci. But if we go, let's just go to the 8 hour chart, and I did show you these Fibonacci levels in yesterday's video. If we start down here, go to that previous high. So there you go. I think that's pretty okay. So from that one, we can see that we the next target level after that is the 33 cent level. I did mention it yesterday in the video. 33 cents should be the next one. If we can get through that 29.5, 30 cent level, then 33 cent will be the next one. And the next main one will after that will be 40 cents. I did say that I think Harmony One has the potential in this altcoin season, which we are not yet in, has the potential to get to $1 and even higher, potentially 150. Even from a market cap point of view, that would only take us into the top 20 anyway. And Harmony One, in my view, is a very attractive one, and it's trending at the moment as well. But it's also got some solid fundamentals and good tokenomics, in my opinion. But I talked about these in a previous video. So just a quick update, really, because I did only one yesterday. But as you can see, after such a huge green candle that we're doing at the moment, we are really set up for further price increases, in my opinion. Also, considering that we only had a retracement here already. You know, we came down, we did quite a healthy price increase here, managed to get above that previous high here at 26.5, retested that yesterday, right? And from here on, we were coiling up for another move to the upside, as we said, and now we are getting higher and higher. And here on the 30-minute, you can also see how much overbought we are. So yeah, probably at this 29.5 cent level, we are going to face some resistance, and I think we are doing that right at this moment. As you can see, actually pretty much as we're getting to this 29.5, we are facing resistance. So there you go. So I think we need to now wait what the price is doing. Do we come down a bit? Do we just move sideways a little bit? But I would further expect further price increases. Again, there could now be some short-term consolidation, but overall this crypto is set, I think, for good and further moves to the upside. Now, of course, nobody has a crystal ball, and if we if we come down once more, I think we are going to find support here at this ascending trend line. That will be main support. So if we really have a pullback to that trend line, then that will support us at around, and depending on when it happens, but I would say, you know, at around 22 cents. That's also where currently the 20-day moving average is sitting. But you can see, sorry, this line which is coming up here, that's the 20-day moving average. That is obviously coming higher every day, and the higher it comes, the better. the more support it will give us if we really drop. Now, of course, there will be other support levels along the way should we really drop. For example, here, the 23, this pretty much this swing low here at pretty much 24 cents. And also all of these lows here. So they will provide some support, but that's pretty much around the 22-cent level. All right, so yeah, just a quick update now here on Harmony One. I think we are set now for a quick retracement after that impressive pump to the upside. I mean, again, 8.5%. As you can see, we're coming down with the price briefly now, but that's only because we are facing some resistance there now. So hopefully you liked that brief update. If you did, please smash the like button and also subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.